From factory floor to road ready, QualityPro for automakers. Tune in now. Welcome back to the QualityPro Podcast. Today we're exploring the automotive industry, where every component, from design and production to assembly and inspection, must meet exact quality and safety standards. One missed inspection or delayed approval can compromise vehicle safety, trigger regulatory fines, or result in costly recalls. That's where QualityPro QMS comes in. It streamlines quality workflows, automates approvals, tracks deviations, and logs every activity with full traceability. With built-in compliance support and real-time analytics, automotive manufacturers can proactively manage risks, ensure vehicle safety, and stay audit-ready. From parts suppliers and assembly lines to testing and final inspections, QualityPro connects all departments into a single, transparent quality ecosystem. Quality management isn't just a regulatory necessity in the automotive industry. It's a competitive advantage, and QualityPro makes it effortless.